This video is for Alliant student tutors only. So if you're not an Alliant student tutor, don't watch it. But this is our homepage for the Tutoring Center. It used to be the Academic Support and Tutoring Center, but now it's the Center for Student Excellence. All of our online stuff, you can get to this page. So when you're a tutor and you tutor with somebody, we have a list online. And this is how you get there. It's tutors only. You click on that. And it's going to say click here, and it's going to download, or actually it's going to open up from the cloud a spreadsheet like that, and the rest is self-explanatory. So the date, student name, ID number if they know it, it's not critical, your name, what it was, if it was stats or writing or both, and which program, CSPP or the business school or one of the other ones, and which program within the school and what campus and whether it was a dissertation or not. So, just as easy cheesy to keep scrolling up here. What a lot of people do is they keep a running record on their own computer in an Excel, and when it's time, then when the semester's over, they can simply cut and paste them all at the same time, and I can do my magic and put them in any kind of order I want. So that's it. I hope it helps. MJZ, out.